Okay, welcome back. This is a quick video on how to swap out the gasket on the combustion motor between the housing and the motor itself. Gonna make this really quick. You got 4 screws here. I've already pre-loosened them up. Let's back these out like so. There's actually 4 of them. I eliminated one already. Okay, so there's your fan, right? Here's your housing. I've already taken a razor blade, already completely scraped it clean, eliminated all debris whatsoever. Nice and clean. Brushed and vacuumed everything out inside of the housing. Cleaned everything out in regards to the horizontal exhaust chamber. Okay, this is pretty easy. Here's the gasketing that we're going to end up sending you. Basically, what we suggest you do is you just take it, you put it on the combustion fan itself, like so. Okay. Just follow it around. Just make sure you line up the outside of the gasketing with the combustion housing. We always give you a little bit extra, as you can see here. Okay, and all you have to do is just cut it off like that there. Push it on down. And voila. Okay, we're back over to the stove. I just wanted to show you a little trick here. I preset the screws. Let's see if I can get the light on here. I preset the screws in the fan. That way, the tips are sticking out, as you can see there. You slide the fan back into the housing like so. Always give it a good spin once it's installed. Make sure the blades aren't hitting anything on the inside. That if it mounts a little bit crooked, it could end up hitting on the inside, or while you have the fan system out and you set it down, somebody might, bend a blade, push it in or pull it out, whatever. Just take a look at it before you go and reinstall it. Spin it in your hand and just make sure that it's spinning level. Alrighty, there you go. That's all she takes there, ladies and gentlemen. You've now just swapped out the combustion motor gasket. You guys have a good one. Peace.
Looking for quality parts for the Austroflamm, Rika, Premio, Vizio, and more? Visit our new e-commerce site at austroflammparts.com or rikaparts.com. Thank you for your support.